Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this amazing video, we came with an amazing project named Limited Input. So, in this project, you can see in my web page, here is an input box and here is the 30 number. So, here what we are going to do, here we can input maximum 30 numbers or characters. So above 30 we can't put here. So if I type, see, I input a 18 character, I'll put some number. See, it becomes 0, means you can't put, means no space remaining for typing another input. So above 30 you can't put, so we can input only 30 character letters. So like that we can use in your website forms, so that you can limit your name, means you can write up to 30 characters only. You will allow in your website that you can write your name in 20 characters or letters or something. So if you are using another input form for mobile number, so for that you can use 12 digits only, 18 digit only. So maximum above that we can't put. So for that we can make this limited input. So like that we can make, we can enter only 30 letters or numbers in it. Above that we can't input. So to make this we are going to use HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So come to our VS Code. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and support me. So now come to our HTML file. Here is my HTML file. There I have written the basic structure of my HTML. Then I have given the title limited input. Then I have linked my CSS file, which you can see here, my CSS file. So then I have taken in body tag a div with a class container, and in this div I have taken another div with class box, and in this div I have taken a form tag to make a form. So in this I have taken an input tag, and type should be text. On input ID I have taken, and placeholder I have written your name. You can see here, but I'll refresh it. See here in background is written your name, means that is called placeholder. So maximum length 30 we have put in. So maximum 30 we can put. So span class progression, for that I'll show you. When I start typing, you can see here down here, you can see a green color line is increasing when I typing some words or character. Then a green line here, it's increasing. You can see it's increasing. So you can see here a green color line increasing. See, is progress bar. So for that we have taken this. Then we have taken one div with class count, and there we have written 30. You can see here. Wait, I'll refresh it and I'll show you. This is 30. So here in last above the body tag I have written script tag with src script.js. I have linked my JS file. Here it is. So now this is my style.css, my CSS file. We can add margin 0, padding 0, and a font family Roboto and sans serif. So here we are adding margin, padding, and font family to our web page. So now here in body tag I have taken a background color code this. Then here is the box class. So I'll show you my box class. Here is my box class, and in this box class I have taken this position absolute and top 50% and from left 50% so that it should be in center, and transform translate minus 50%. I think this container we no need to write, so can remove it, this container. So now transform translate minus 50 from horizontal and vertical so that it should be in center. To make our div in center we are writing this code. So width 300 pixel and height 200 pixel. Then I have taken border radius 10 pixel. Then now here I have taken a background color code. So I can show you. Here is my background color code. You can see here the background color code in our div. So now in form I have taken position should be absolute, and from top it should be 50% and from left it should be 50%. Then transform translate minus 50% horizontal and vertical minus 50% to make it in a center. Now we going to take output ID. You can see here on put ID. So for that we have taken width 210 pixel and height 30 pixel and padding 10 pixel and a font size 20 pixel. Then I have taken border radius none and border bottom 2 pixel solid red. Then here I have taken background color code. I can show you here, and for border I have taken this. Here I have taken outline should be none and border radius 7 pixel. Then come to our progress. So for progress class here I'll show you the progress class above. So there I have taken position should be relative to our div, and from top it will be minus 2 pixel and here height 2 pixel and width 0%. Then I have taken a background color for a progress bar, which you can see in my web page when I am writing here something. I'll show you. See a green color here appearing, so you can see here. I'll show you. See here is the green color, you can see. So for that, so now come to our code. So here now display I have taken block and transition 0.5 second. Then for count class, so here is the count class 30 I have written. For that the line should be right and padding top 10 pixel and font weight 900 and color code this for our count. So here font size 18 pixel, and for red color I taken red class. So Now come to our JavaScript file. Here I have taken a variable input. So here document dot get element, we are using query selector, not id. So it can select class also and any attribute also by query selector. So I use query selector here, selecting on input id. Then we have taken one more variable maximum length for our input. Then progress bar, here when we type it will show how much the input is remaining and it will increase. So here count variable we have taken and one more div variable for our div. So then I have taken count dot inner html dot equal to max length. So means our count 30 dot inner html will change to maximum length. What is the our maximum length? Up to that it will do. So we have taken 30. So input dot on input, when we click on it, our input box, and when we will type what the function will happen. So count dot inner html equal to max length equal to dot this dot value dot length. Means meaning of this is when we type the some character or numbers in our input tag, so then the maximum length is 30. Okay, then that time our value of input will decrease. So I'll show you when I start typing. See here, I can show you here it's decreasing, it's 22 remaining words. So here you can still type 18 input. So like that it's decreasing. So how it's decreasing means maximum length is 30 minus this character I have typed, so remaining will be 13. So like that it's working. So now come to our VS Code. Here if count dot inner html equal to 0, when it will become 0 means here 13, it will become 0. See it's become 0, then it become red. So here it's become red, you can see here, and count. Then here progress dot style with for that this dot value dot length into 100 in, divided by maximum length. So means when we, I'll refresh it and I'll show you again. When you start typing, see this progress bar is increasing. See it's increasing, and when it will be 100% it will stop when our input is fulfilled. So like that we have made our limited input. So hope you guys like my project and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video with an amazing project. So don't forget to follow us on Instagram @Becodewala. So thank you.